to the ISS, 89.3 North Mile per second. The time now is 3 o'clock. It's 23 hours GMT. This is the World Today from the BBC World Service. Network Russian Service Nickel. Today, as the United States increases the political and financial pressure on Robert Mugabe, we're stirring a thought to some of the world's forgotten trouble spots.
Long-term conflict tends sometimes to be forgotten by the media because it's not newsy anymore. I mean, it's just usual violence.
Also, on a lighter note, can it really be true that kids are scared of Santa Claus?
You're going up to Santa and you're expecting this smiley picture that you can put in a Christmas card and send off to all the friends and relatives, and instead what you see is a kid in a set of tonsils. You know, this kid is just screaming their head off.
What does Santa himself have to say about that?
I can assure you that every child that comes to visit Father Christmas goes away very, very happy.
Butler and Fergus Nickel with you from London. First the news.
BBC News with Ian Purton. The United States says it no longer supports the power-sharing deal in Zimbabwe agreed by President Robert Mugabe and the opposition leader Morgan Tsvangirai. A senior U.S. official, Jendai Fraser, said Washington had been willing to use its influence with the International Monetary Fund and World Bank to clear Zimbabwe's $1.2 billion debt, but was no longer prepared to do so. Jonah Fisher reports.
The United States acknowledged what to many had seemed clear from the start. After 28 years at the helm, Robert Mugabe has no intention of sharing his authority with anyone. Jendai Fraser, the U.S.'s top diplomat for Africa, journalist in Pretoria, that America has now decided there can be no credible power sharing involving President Mugabe. Promises of help to reduce Zimbabwe's national debt and assistance to rebuild the country's broken infrastructure could now not happen while he remained in office.
The East African foreign ministers have said they're ready to impose sanctions on the president of Somalia, Abdullahi Yusuf. Speaking in Ethiopia, the ministers declared their support for his political rival, the Prime Minister, Nur Hassan Hussein. Elizabeth Blunt reports from Addis Ababa.
In a place of honor on the platform was Ahmed Mohamud Gola, Somali Prime Minister's newly appointed foreign minister, rather than his predecessor, who'd been associated with the president. At the end of the meeting, the East African foreign ministers expressed their support for Noor Ade and his newly appointed cabinet, and said that they regretted the attempts by President Abdullahi to change the Prime Minister. They said IGAD didn't